Good afternoon everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you classification of economic activities on the basis of production. On the basis of production, economic activities are classified into three categories: primary activities, secondary activities and tertiary activities. So let's start. Primary activities. Activities which are related to exploitation of natural resources are considered as primary activities, in which natural resources are exploited. For example, agriculture, mining, forestry, dairy farming, horticulture, and many more activities which are related to exploitation of natural resources are considered as primary activities. Now, secondary activities. Secondary activities are also known as manufacturing activities. Why? Because in this, any goods or services is produced by manufacturing process. By manufacturing, it means all activities in which raw material converted into final product. Example, cotton. Cotton is a raw material. It is further processed into textile. So the procedure from converting cotton into textile, ready-made cloth, considered in the activities of manufacturing sector or secondary sector. Example, all industries comes under secondary sector because industry produce something from raw material to final product. Sugar industry, cotton textile industry, iron steel industry, cement plant. One more thing, tourism and film also considered as industry. In exam, many time has been asked that why tourism considered as industry. Student, please listen carefully. This is very important question. Why tourism is considered as industry? Why I have not written as notes? Because this topic is related to geography also. When you will study in geography, I will teach again. But now I will teach why tourism is considered as industry. First point, tourism is related to many more activities. Tourism is not a particular activity. It includes various industry. Example, hotel industry, restaurant industry, handicraft industry, small scale cottage industry, tour and travels, ship, internal navigation. So all the activities means tourism is a bright wide area. It includes various activities such as hotel, restaurant, craft and heritage sites, mountainous sites, culture, tradition. This commonly known as tourism. Tourism gives promote various industry because these all industry are related to tourism and any goods or service produced in this industry. Example, in hotel industry, various food and delicious food is produced by chef. Tour and travels, many more recreational activities are related to that. That's why tourism is considered as industry. Don't get confused. You need to write only that in tourism, various activities such as hotel, restaurant, tour and travels, craft, rural economy, heritage, cultural, many more are included. Second point, tourism gives employment to large number of people and tourism promote various sub activities. Third point, in tourism, many goods or services is produced. That's why tourism is considered as industry. Now, tertiary activities or service sector. All activities which does not produce anything, which give just only support to primary and secondary sector. In tertiary sector, no goods and or services is produced. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. Example, banking, transport, communication, insurance, whatever service, management, engineering, all included in tertiary activities or service sector. Student, I tell you that recently in India, maximum population is involved in tertiary sector. About 59% population is involved in tertiary sector. This I will tell in detail in next topic what is the contribution of each sector in GDP and national economy. But in this lecture, it is enough for you. The classification of economic activities on the basis of production. Again, I am repeating: primary activities, activities which are related to exploitation of natural resources, example agriculture, forestry, mining, horticulture. Secondary activities or manufacturing activities, activities which are related to manufacturing process in which raw material convert into final product, example oil industry and tourism, as well as film also industry. Tertiary sector or service sector, all activities which does not produce anything, which give only support to primary and secondary sector, example transport, banking, communication. I hope you like my lecture. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for joining me. Now in next topic.